Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about Java programming. The topic name is Conditional Construct in Java Part 8. The next slide contains the program. Question number 2. An electricity board charges the bill according to the number of units consumed and rate as given below. Unit consumed, rate per unit. First 100 units, 80 paisa per unit. Next 200 units, rupees 1 per unit. Above 300 units, rupees 2.50 per unit. Write a program in Java to accept the total units consumed by a customer and calculate the bill. Assume that a meter rent of rupees 500 is charged from the customer. The next slide contains the program. The program is import java.util.asterisk semicolon importing packages public class electricity underscore bill. Electricity underscore bill is the class name. Start curly braces declaring class. Public static void main string args. Start curly braces defining main function. Scanner SC equals to new scanner within parenthesis system.in. Close the parenthesis semicolon. Preparing for input. Int units. Units is a integer type of variable. Double bill underscore AMT equals to 0.00D semicolon declaring and initializing variables by its default value. System.out println input total number of units. Close the double quotes parenthesis semicolon asking for input. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Units equals to ac.nextInt semicolon taking input. NextInt method is defined in scanner class. If units less than equals to 100, here less than equals to is a relational operator used to comparing the value. Bill underscore AMT equals to 500 plus units asterisk 0.80 D within parenthesis semicolon. Finding bill amount as 80 paisa per unit. Here LC within parenthesis units greater than 100 double ampersand units less than equals to 300. Close the parenthesis comparing using logical operator as double ampersand bill underscore AMT equals to 500 plus 100 asterisk 0.80D within parenthesis plus units minus 100 within parenthesis asterisk 1.00D. Calculating bill amount per unit as 1 rupee. Else bill underscore AMT equals to 500 plus within parenthesis 100 asterisk 0.80D close the parenthesis plus 200 asterisk 1.00D within parenthesis plus unit minus 300 as within parenthesis asterisk 2.50D. Finding bill amount as 2 rupees 50 paisa. System.out println total number of units consumed equals to plus units, close the parenthesis, semicolon. System dot out println within double quotes total electricity bill amount equals to, close the double quotes, plus bill underscore AMT, close the parenthesis, semicolon. Displaying bill amount. End of two curly braces, end of main and end of class. Here, if else if ladder statement is used to find the electricity bill according to the given condition. The output is input total number of units 500, total number of units consumed equals to 500, total electricity bill amount equals to 1280.0. The next slide contains the variable description table of this program. Variable name, data type, description. First variable name is units, data type is int, description is to input total number of unit consumed. Next is bill amount, data type is double, description is to find and store bill amount. The next slide contains next program. Question number 3. Write a program in Java to accept 3 numbers and check whether they are Pythagorean triplet or not. The program must display the message accordingly. Hint: h square equals to p square plus b square. Program is import java.util.asterisk semicolon importing packages public class Pythagorean underscore triplet. Start curly braces declaring class. Pythagorean underscore triplet is the name of the class. Public static void main string args. Start curly braces defining main function. Scanner AC equals to new scanner within parenthesis system.in, close the parenthesis, semicolon, preparing for input. Int p, b, h, declaring variables. The next slide contains the next part of the program. System.out println input 3 sides, close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon, asking for input. P equals to ac.nextInt, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, semicolon. B equals to ac.nextInt, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, semicolon. H equals to ac.nextInt, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, semicolon, taking input. If p asterisk p plus b asterisk b double equals to h asterisk h. Here double equals to is the relational operator, is used for comparing to different expression. System.out println 3 numbers are Pythagorean triplet. If the condition is satisfied, then the output is 3 numbers are Pythagorean triplet. Else, system.out println start parenthesis within double quotes 3 numbers are not Pythagorean triplet, close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon, displaying output. End of 2 curly braces, end of main and end of class. The next slide contains the output of the program. Input 3 numbers, 3, then 4, then 5. 3 numbers are Pythagorean triplet. The next slide contains the variable description of the program. Variable description table consists of 3 columns: variable name, data type, and description. P. Data type is int. Description is to input first number. Next variable is age. Data type is int. Description is to input second number. Third variable is b. Data type is int. Description is to input third number. Students, in this session I have discussed about Java programming using conditional construct. Hope all of you have understand this part of the program very well. That's all for now. Thank you.